Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna show you a new really incredible platform where you can live stream and record that live stream as well on the go. And you can live stream with not just yourself but with all of your people, and you can stream it up to 5 platforms as long as I know. Let's just see this platform and have a look on it. See, here's we are at Welder. So kind of a different name, but here we are at Welder, and they have recently launched their live studio. And what is live studio? I gonna obviously tell you everything later. So first, see the easiest way to record remote podcast in high quality. Yup, this really provides high quality, and it's really free. The catch that they have is they will obviously show up their watermark, and if you are okay with their watermark, then it's completely free. Actually, it's free. And here you can see they have included let's not just go to into the video right now, but yeah, rather than that, improve your video, record any device, and get going super fast. Okay, whatever. So here you can see the quality difference that is Wilder and Zoom having obviously great quality, I think. And I have screenshot like my screen as well, and did a lot of stuff, and it worked well. So basically what you have to do, you have to create a session, then invite a guest if you want to add someone into your live session. But if you don't wanna, you can just get going, you can start recording or start live from that platform. And they really have a really great intuitive platform, I would say, because so much of the thing aren't here. But let's get into it. Okay, so I already have an account. Actually, I have already signed in also. Let me just pull my window here as well. Wait for a minute. Yep, so here I am in the Welder live studio. This is live studio, that is in beta mode, and this is local studio. I really didn't understand their local studio's purpose, or how it's supposed to work, or how it's working. Basically, I didn't understand anything of them. But to be honest, I love their live studio. And another great thing that they are providing within this free range, that is you can obviously get unlimited video and audio text transcription. Like, really, wow, that's really great. Like, no one provides that. How can they do that in free, this like free tire? I don't really know. But yep, they are really very generous. And I obviously gonna contact them, as they have showed that here. You can book a demo as well. But I'm not gonna change my current recording studio for sure, because I love Tela, and I am with Tela with a long time. I really gonna leave, really not gonna leave them. So Taylor, like, Grant, if you are watching it, don't worry. I'm not going to leave you soon, obviously. But this is a great piece of software, obviously. I really like them, and their pricing plan is almost like them, like $20 per month. But they are basically they are featuring themselves as live studios. So I think there is clear gap between that. Like, yes, you can record, you can obviously record, but this is more often like a live studio. What I have felt, that this really works great as live studio, not for anything else. But in Tela, you can, Tela have its totally another genre, because in Tela you can make explainer videos, make stuffs like product promotions, or products explainer videos, or your simple, not in simple interaction, like step by step guide videos. Tela is good for that. But this is basically for like, I would suggest primarily for live podcasting. And if you want to share something while you are podcasting, that is That is the way you should go with this thing, like go with welder. So welder is for that thing only. That is the thing here. I have already recorded a video and tried it a bit. I kind of like them and kind of not also, because I am continuously comparing it with Taylor. But all in all, it's a great piece of software. It have no bugs, it have no lags. I have tried it and it works great. So yeah, that's it about this video. That's it about Dweller. Use it yourself. I know you guys gonna love it. Like the game streamers who like play with all of their all of their team, you can obviously use it. It would be a great solution for you, while all of you can be on the cameras as well. Like all of you can be on the uh, individual cameras from your own screen, and you can also share, one of you can also share the screen as well, where the actual game is happening. So it will be a great thing for you guys also. I don't know, it have too many use cases. We have to find out the use cases actually. So it have too many use cases. I know you will like it for sure. So visit it. Links will be in the description. And that's it for this video. And if you know about some of the great apps like this, please let me know about them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. Rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. Really, because my subscriber count is too low. Actually, my video count is more than my subscriber count. That is kind of an sarcasm, but what can I do, right? It's up to you that you want to subscribe to my channel or not, if you're liking those videos or not. Even if you are not liking these videos, please let me know what I should do to get better. Because obviously I make video for you guys, not for myself, obviously. Because I want to share a lots of knowledge, a lots of cool hacks, tips, and all of the things to you guys, just to give you the, like, give you a plus point in life. That's it. So that's it for this video. I know the outro was a bit longer plus, but please stay with me. That is that. So yeah, bye for now.